Yantai Weixiang Building Engineering Machinery Equipment Company Limited, established in 2009, is an excellent manufacturer for excavator attachments in China. We have 25 experienced employees with advanced production technology and professional production equipments. So we have accumulated a wealth of experience in the production of excavator attachments for more than 10 years. Main supply hydraulic breaker hammer, quick hitch couplers, log and stone and steel grapples, hydraulic log grab, hydraulic plate compactor, excavator pulverizer, hydraulic shear, ripper, earth auger, rake, excavator magnet lift, thumb, screening bucket, rotating bucket, etc. We supply one-stop solution. You can buy most of attachments from us directly, and what we do is to control the quality and make you benefit through our cooperation by continuous innovation and improvement. Our attachments have been widely exported to many countries, including Australia, New Zealand, Malaysia, Indonesia, Vietnam, Israel. Customer first means not only factory price but also service. We have a strong sales team to provide fast and timely pre-sale and after-sale service. Your satisfaction is our target. Quality is our commitment. We care what you care. All our products are under quality control strictly from raw material, processing, packaging to delivering. Also, we have professional R&D team to design and supply better solution for you. OEM and ODM are available. Product quality as the life of the company. Sincerely welcome you to work and cooperate with us together.